In a small, quiet town lived a gentle brown dog named Taro. Taro loved sleeping near his owner, Grandpa Eli, who fixed clocks all days in his little shop. Every clock worked perfectly, except one strange clock on the wall. That clock had no hands. Grandpa Eli always said, "It's waiting for the right time." Taro slept beside it every night. One rainy night, thunder rumbled and our room glowed softly. The handless clock began to shine. Taro felt something magical happen. Suddenly, Taro could smell tomorrow. He could smell rain before it came. He could smell danger before it happened. He could smell sadness before anyone cried. Taro wagged his tail. He wanted to help. The next day, a boy almost fell into the river. Taro barked and saved him. A house almost caught fire. Taro warmed everyone. Grandpa Eli felt weak. Taro led him to the doctor just in time. People said Taro is such a smart dog, but Taro felt very tired, helping took all his strength. One quiet night, Taro smelled something new. It smelled like goodbye. The glowing clock whispered, "Every time you borrow tomorrow, you must give something back." Taro looked at Grandpa, Eli sleeping peacefully. He knew what he had to do. That night, Taro helped the town one last time. When the sun rose, the handless clock finally grew two hands. Taro lay down beside it, smiling softly. He had given all his tomorrows to protect the people he loved. Grandpa Eli woke up and smiled through his tears. He said, "Good dogs don't just guard homes, they guard hearts." And even today, people say, if your dog suddenly stops and looks into the air, maybe is smelling tomorrow. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Then you will get every notification from my YouTube channel.